The Integrated Task Manager helps to plan, organize, and keep track of tasks like control room activities, fieldwork, maintenance, and safety checks that need to be done in an industrial plant. Think of Integrated Task Manager like a big to-do list on a board called a Kanban board. That shows what needs to be done and what's completed. Supervisors and workers can see everything at a glance. You can set tasks to happen right away, repeat regularly, or start on a specific event. This way, important tasks are always taken care of on time. It also improves safety by ensuring no important tasks are missed or facilitates smooth shift changes. Finally, Task Analytics provides insights to identify improvement opportunities for repetitive procedures and processes.